Welcome to Auger Construction Equipment, where the best products belong to everyone. Engineering and manufacturing every part at our factories, we are dedicated manufacturers and exporters, specializing in parts compatible with construction equipment. Featuring an expansive collection of over 60,000 items, our spare parts inventory is fully equipped to cater to diverse needs. Auger Construction Equipment provides high-quality, reliable aftermarket parts ensuring cost-effective solutions and timely delivery. Our company takes pride in exporting our products to more than 60 countries worldwide. We are a dependable supplier, catering to a diverse customer base, integrating multiple quality systems at our many factories to ensure optimal production methods by delivering advanced products. With rigorous quality control and stress tests, we guarantee compliance with international standards, backed by Ford Q1 and ISO STS certifications. By manufacturing the future, Auger Construction Equipment guarantees that the best products belong to everyone, every time.